Learn about the moon and understanding the lunar phases. A production by Tuition Near Me. Today, we dive into the fascinating world of moon phases, discovering how the dance of light and shadow creates enchanting shapes in our night sky. Let's embark on this celestial journey together. As we gaze up at the night sky, the ever-changing face of the moon never fails to captivate us. From the waxing crescent to the full moon and the waning gibbous, each phase holds its own unique allure. But what exactly causes these mesmerizing lunar transitions? In this lesson, we invite you to join us on this celestial odyssey, where science and wonder converge in a dance of shadows and light. From the waxing crescent that heralds the birth of a new cycle to the serene glow of the full moon, each phase offers a glimpse into the timeless beauty of our cosmic companion. So, next time you find yourself under the shimmering glow of moonlight, take a moment to ponder the celestial ballet unfolding above. From its subtle crescents to its luminous fullness, the moon invites us to witness the marvels of the universe and to embrace the enduring allure of the unknown. Together, let's keep our eyes turned skyward, ready to unveil the captivating mysteries of moon phases. Welcome to our exciting journey through the phases of the moon. In this video course, we will explore the fascinating lunar cycle and learn how to identify and describe the 8 primary phases of the moon. In Lesson 1, we will dive into the 8 primary phases of the moon, learning how to recognize and accurately label each phase. We will unravel the mystery of the waxing and waning crescents, gibbous moons, and the elusive new moon. Moving on to Lesson 2, we will demonstrate our understanding of how the illumination of the moon changes as it orbits Earth, leading to the different observable phases. We will uncover the science behind why the moon appears differently to us throughout its orbit. Finally, in Lesson 3, we will apply our knowledge of moon phases through a creative and tactile experience. We will roll up our sleeves and construct representations of the moon phases, bringing our learning to life in a hands-on and engaging way. So, get ready to embark on this lunar adventure as we unravel the mysteries of the moon's phases and deepen our understanding of the celestial dance between the Earth and its natural satellite. Today we are going to explore the fascinating impact of the moon on our planet Earth. The moon plays a crucial role in shaping our world in various ways, including its influence on Earth's tides, its role in stabilizing Earth's axial tilt, and its cultural significance. The gravitational pull of the moon influences Earth's tides, creating the ebb and flow of our oceans. You can imagine the moon's gravitational pull as a force that pulls the water towards it, causing the tides to rise and fall in a rhythmic pattern. In addition to its effect on tides, the moon acts as a stabilizing force for Earth's axial tilt. This stabilization contributes to the overall stability of our planet's climate. The stability provided by the moon's gravitational pull helps maintain the relatively consistent climate conditions that support life on Earth. It's important to remember that the moon's impact goes beyond just its physical effects. Culturally, the moon has inspired myths, poetry, and ancient calendars. The observation of the moon's phases over centuries has provided a rhythmic and mesmerizing dance in our night sky, influencing cultures and traditions around the world. The moon is Earth's natural satellite, and it orbits our planet at an average distance of approximately 384,400 kilometers. Its diameter is about 3,474 kilometers, making it much smaller than Earth. The moon takes approximately 27.3 days to complete one orbit around Earth. The moon has a unique surface with various geological features, including craters, mountains, and plains. These features were formed by impacts from asteroids and comets over billions of years. The moon is primarily composed of rock and dust, and its surface is covered in a layer of fine, powdery soil called regolith. The moon is a captivating celestial body with many mysteries yet to be unraveled. Its proximity to Earth and unique characteristics make it an exciting target for scientific exploration and potential future human missions. The moon, Earth's celestial companion, goes through a mesmerizing cycle of phases, each holding its own unique beauty and significance. Our journey begins with the new moon, a time when the moon is not visible from Earth. It marks the start of the lunar cycle, symbolizing new beginnings and fresh opportunities. As the days pass, the moon transitions into the waxing phase, gradually revealing a slender crescent. This phase represents growth, intention, and the pursuit of goals. The full moon, a breathtaking sight that illuminates the night sky. It symbolizes completion, abundance, and the peak of energy. Across cultures, it has been associated with mystery and magic. Finally, we witness the waning phase, as the moon's luminosity diminishes, returning to the new moon. This phase encourages reflection, release, and letting go of what no longer serves us. The complete lunar cycle, with its 29.5 Earth days of transformation and renewal, serves as a timeless reminder of the interconnectedness of Earth, the moon, and the cosmos. As we gaze up at the ever-changing face of the moon, we are reminded of the enduring beauty and wonder of the universe. The new moon marks the beginning of a new lunar cycle, as the moon orbits the Earth, and the Earth orbits the Sun. During this phase, the side of the moon facing the Earth is in shadow, as it aligns with the Sun, creating a stunning celestial alignment. As the new moon passes between the Sun and the Earth, it casts no visible light from our perspective. This unique alignment results in the absence of moonlight, creating the darkest nights of the lunar cycle. The new moon's position between the Sun and Earth also influences tidal patterns, as its gravitational pull combines with that of the Sun to create the phenomenon of spring tides. These powerful tides shape coastal ecosystems and play a crucial role in the Earth's oceanic dynamics. As the moon transitions from new moon to full moon, it first enters the waxing crescent phase. This phase occurs when the moon is positioned between the Earth and the Sun, with the illuminated portion visible from Earth increasing each night. The waxing crescent moon is a captivating sight, with its slender, curved shape gracing the evening sky. Its gentle glow offers a glimpse of the lunar landscape, revealing subtle details of craters and lunar seas. Scientists and astronomers study the waxing crescent moon to better understand its geological features and the processes that have shaped its surface over billions of years. By analyzing the patterns of illumination and shadow, they gain insights into the moon's composition and history. As the moon orbits our planet, it reaches a position 1/4 around the Earth, revealing an illumination of 50%. This unique alignment offers a fascinating glimpse into the interplay of light and shadow across the lunar landscape. The first quarter moon serves as a crucial milestone in understanding the dynamics of lunar illumination. By analyzing the patterns of shadow and light, we can unravel the complexities of the moon's surface and gain valuable knowledge about its composition and geological processes. As the moon continues its celestial orbit, it transitions from the first quarter phase to the waxing gibbous phase. This phase is characterized by the moon appearing in a mostly illuminated crescent shape, signaling its approach towards the full moon. The waxing gibbous phase occurs as the moon moves further along its orbit, drawing closer to the full moon phase. This transition is a result of the angle between the Earth, Moon, and Sun, creating the mesmerizing spectacle of the waxing gibbous moon. The full moon occurs when the moon is positioned directly opposite the Sun, with the Earth nestled between the two celestial bodies. This alignment results in the entire face of the moon being fully illuminated by the Sun's rays, leading to a striking and awe-inspiring sight for observers on Earth. The phases of the moon, including the full moon, are a result of the changing angles between the Sun, the Moon, and the Earth. As the moon orbits our planet, its relative position to the Sun causes varying amounts of its surface to be illuminated, giving rise to the familiar cycle of lunar phases. During a full moon, the moon is located at a point in its orbit where it is directly opposite the Sun from Earth's perspective. This positioning results in the moon passing through the Earth's shadow, leading to its entire surface being bathed in sunlight and appearing as a luminous, circular disk in the night sky. The waning gibbous moon rises in the east in the late evenings and sets in the west in the early morning hours, providing a spectacular display of the moon's changing phases. But what scientific processes are at play behind this mesmerizing sight? The waning gibbous moon is a result of the moon's orbit around the Earth, as well as its position relative to the Sun. During this phase, the moon is positioned between the full moon and the last quarter, with its illuminated surface gradually decreasing in size. The waning gibbous phase occurs as the moon moves further along its orbit, causing the sun's light to illuminate a decreasing portion of the moon's surface visible from Earth. This gradual decrease in illumination gives rise to the waning gibbous phase, marking the transition towards the last quarter moon. The third quarter moon, also known as a last quarter moon, presents a mesmerizing sight in the night sky. With exactly half of its surface illuminated, this phase occurs approximately 3 weeks after the new moon phase. At this point, the moon is positioned approximately 90 degrees away from the sun, creating a striking visual display. The waning crescent phase occurs as the moon approaches its new moon phase. During this time, the illuminated portion of the moon continues to decrease, leading to the gradual diminishment of its crescent shape. So, that's the basic about our moon, and see you in the next lesson.
Tuition Near Me, your #1 portal for everything that is related to education. See you at Tuition Near Me.